In the previous classes we have learned a union of sets and intersection of sets. So then what is meant by union? So union mean by the combination of two sets. We are combining the two different sets. Okay. Next, what is meant by intersection? Intersection mean by in given both the sets we have to take common elements. Okay. Then continuation of intersection is the sets disjoint sets. So what's the definition? If there are no common elements in the set A and B, then we can say set A and B are disjoint sets. Okay. So this is a topic related to common elements. Okay, nothing but intersection. So what is meant by disjoint? If there are no common elements in both the set A and B, okay, if there is no common element in both the sets A and B, we can say set A and B are both are disjoint sets. So common elements are represented by intersection. So A intersection B is equals to null set. Okay, null set means by there is no element present in it. Okay, so we can also say pi. Okay, so pi mean by A intersection B is equal to pi. Pi mean by what? Null set. Null set or empty set. Empty, no element is present. Otherwise you can say null set. So pi is nothing but null set or empty set. It is represented by curly brackets like this. Don't write any element here. So A intersection B is equals to what? Pi. When both the sets A and B are disjoint sets. For example, if you take A is equals to 1, 2, 3 and set B is equals to 4, 5, 6. Okay. So whether the given two sets are disjoint sets or not, we have to check. Okay. Suppose first write A intersection B. So A intersection B is equals to 1, 2, 3 intersection 4, 5, 6. If you observe in both the sets A and B, is there any common element here? No. So here you can write empty set. Okay? You can write empty set. Nothing but you can write pi. Okay? So Venn diagram. So Venn diagram, first draw the circle for set A and draw the circle for set B and draw the closed box for whole set, and whole set is represented by the letter mu. So most of the students they are not representing the letters A and B and mu, and they are not drawing the rectangular box. Okay, so some of you are taking these two circles as rectangles. Okay, no problem. But whole box, whole two sets should be represented in the closed figure, any closed figure. Okay, so most of you are forgetting to draw this box. So try to draw the rectangular box and try to represent the letters A, B and mu. So in the set A we have the letters numbers 1, 2, 3, and the set B we have 4, 5, 6. Is there any common elements here? No. So that's why we can say here A intersection B is equals to pi, null set. According to Venn diagram, according to general procedure, according to the definition. Okay. Then coming to the topic difference of sets. Difference of sets. What is the definition? The difference of A and B written as A minus B. As you know from childhood, difference mean by minus. So the difference of A and B is written as A minus B. Here my logic is here. So A minus B is the set of all those elements of A, but do not belongs to B. Okay. So A minus B set is nothing but the elements belongs to the set only A, but does not belongs to the set B. Okay. So for example, if you write the set builder form for each, A minus B is equals to X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B set. Okay. A minus B is equal to, by writing the A minus B in the set builder form, X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. Okay. We have another form also, the difference of B and A. See in this question, in the first one A and B, here B and A as written as B minus A is the set of all those elements of set B which does not belongs to A. If you write the set builder form for it, so B minus A is equals to X such that X belongs to B and X does not belongs to A, and also you can write or. So B minus A is equals to X such that X does not belongs to A and X belongs to B. So this is the maximum 99% correct method. So some of you are writing like this in the previous 10th students. So don't, you can also follow, but this is the maximum correct position. Okay, correct form. So difference of set. So here in this B minus A is a set, the elements which belongs to only set B, but it does not belongs to the set A. If you see one more example problem, you can understand more clearly. Okay. The example problem is, if the set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, set B is equals to 3, 4, 5, 6, then find A minus B and B minus A. Okay. So first write the given. So given A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is equals to 3, 4, 5, 6. The first A minus B we should find. So A minus B is equals to, write the set 1, 2, 3, 4 minus, and write the set B 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So in the set A minus B 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 3, 4, 5, 6. So minus we are doing means what? Difference. Okay. The difference of A and B is written as A minus B and is a set which belongs to the set A and it does not belongs to set B. Here what we have to do, just identify the common elements. What are the common elements here? 3. Next 4. So cut like this. Oh, this cutting is only applicable in only difference only, not in the intersection. Okay. Please try to remember this one. So this cutting is only applicable in difference of sets only, not in the intersection of sets. Okay. So A minus B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 4 are both are common elements in set A and set B. Then cut the common elements here 3 and 4 and just write what are the elements left in the set A. That's it. No need to write the elements in set B. Okay. What is the definition? The difference of A minus B is a set which belongs to the set A and which does not belongs to the B. Okay, we have also written set builder form. You can see that. Okay, so A minus B is equals to the elements those are left in the set A. So A minus B is equals to 1, 2. If you try to draw the Venn diagram, so Venn diagram, set A, set B, and draw the rectangular bars. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the first set elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B elements are 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 3 and 4 both are common elements. So that's why I have written here. Okay. Then what is the A minus B representation? See, A minus B mean by the set belongs to only the set A, but it does not belong to the set B. So that's why we should shade the region in the only set A. If you observe, see, not in the common area, only the set A I am shading. Just be careful. Okay. This shaded region does not enter into common area. We should be present only in the set A. Okay. Next, A minus B is equals to shaded region. Okay. So this elements belongs to only the set A. So if you go to the B minus A, what is the B set elements? 3, 4, 5, 6 minus set A 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, write like this and just observe the two sets. What do you have common elements? Suppose I have here 3 is a common and 4 is also common. Just cut them. Okay, just cut them to avoid confusion. Next, what are the left elements here? Only 5 comma 6. Only 5 comma 6 only. Don't consider this 1 comma 2 because the set of B minus A is a set which belongs to the set B and does not belongs to the set A. Here we have two, A minus B and B minus A. So in the B minus A, the elements belongs to only set B but does not belongs to set A. Okay, so this is your answer 5 comma 6. And Venn diagram representation. See set A and set B, draw the rectangular box and this is the mu, universal set. And what are the elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so here representation will be so 5 comma 6 elements only for 5 comma 6. So this shaded region should not enter into the common area. Okay, so B minus A is equals to shaded region. So this is the A minus B and this is the B minus A, and we will discuss one more problem. You will get in 4 marks question. Such type of questions you will get for only 2 marks questions. Okay. Next, so we have discussed up to difference of sets, union of sets, and intersection of sets. So such type of questions you will get for 4 marks questions based on 3 concepts: union, intersection, and difference of sets. Okay. So we'll try to solve one problem. So you get 4 marks questions. So A is equals to x such that x is an even number less than 7. In the previous example, they have given directly values, elements he has given. But here the elements are in indirect way. Okay, we have to understand the question and we have to clear. Okay, so A is equal to even number less than 7. Okay, what are the even numbers less than 7? Write down 2, 4 and 6. Okay, the sets A belongs to the even number set which are less than 7. Okay, 2, 4, 6. And set B is an odd number which is less than 7. Okay, 1, 3, 5. Don't write 7 because less than 7. The numbers which are smaller than the 7 only we have to write. Okay, next set C is equals to Z is a prime number less than 7. So what are the prime numbers present below the number 7? Okay, so 1 is not a prime number, 2 is an even prime number, 3 is a prime number, and 5 is also a prime number less than 7. Don't consider the number 7. So these are the 3 sets A, B, C. Okay, next first one, A union B, as you know very well. So A union B is equals to 2, 4, 6 union 1, 3, 5. So then what you will do? Just write the 2 sets as it is in a 1 set. 2, 4, 6 and 1, 3, 5. So this is a zigzag order. So write in a ascending order or descending order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the representation of sets. And if you take Venn diagram, so this is a set A and the set B, and draw the rectangular box, that is mu. So some of you are not drawing this rectangular box, please try to draw this rectangular box for every time and try to represent the letters A, B and mu. Okay, so represent the letters 2, 4, 6, 1, 3, 5. Okay, union mean by combination of 2 sets, so that's why you can shade the region 2 sets A and B, combining B. Okay, you can represent here A union B is equals to the shaded region. Okay, next one. What's the next question? B intersection C. So what is the set B? Set B is 1, 3, 5 intersection. What is the set B? See 2, 3, 5. So intersection means by you have to write only the common elements. So here what are the common elements? 3, 5, 3, 5. So no need to cut because this is intersection. In intersection no need to cut. Just observe, identify them and just write down. 3, 5. Okay. So this is the B intersection C, and you can also represent in Venn diagram. Set B and set C. Set B, C and mu. So elements 1, 2. So 3, 5 both are common. So that's why I am writing in common region. So shade this region. So B intersection C is equals to common shaded region. Okay. Next A minus C. Third question. A minus C. So what is the set A? Set A is equals to 2, 4, 6 minus what is the set C? 2, 3, 5. Okay. So this is the A minus C. So in what we are doing here, we are doing subtraction. Subtraction means by cancel the common term. So here 2 is the common term, so we can cancel it. Okay. Then we have to take only the first one, which is the present first one, A set A. So write the elements of set A, 4, 6. No need to write the 3, 5 set. Okay. So this is the A minus C. If you draw the Venn diagram, A, set A, set C, and mu. Okay. So 4, 6, 2, 3, 5. So write the common elements here and remaining elements in set A and the remaining elements in the set C. So A minus C is equal to what? 4, 6. For only 4, 6, you have to shade the region. Okay. So A minus 6 is equals to the shaded region. So this is the 4 marks question. Okay. Try to learn such type of questions. I will give you 2 questions as your homework. So try to do and send to me. Thank you.